My first page is my divisibility rules. Shows each two is if the unit digit is divisible by 2, the unit digit is even. For 5, if the unit digit is 0 or 5. For 10, if the unit digit is 0. For 4, two digits represent a number divisible by 4. And these are some examples to the side. This is the divisibility rule for 8. Three digits represent number divisible by 8. For 3, sum of the digits is divisible by 3. For 9, the sum of the digits of the whole number is divisible by 9, I'm sorry. For 11, the sum of the digits is odd. And for 6, the whole number is divisible by 2 and 3. These are the examples over to the side. This is prime and composite. Prime numbers are any positive integers with two positive divisions. Composite numbers, any whole numbers greater than 1 that has a positive factor. And prime factorization is factorizing containing only prime numbers. These are the examples of the prime numbers. Composite numbers, and this is prime factorization, the bottom. This is talking about the whole number divisors. This is determining if the number is prime. This is an example. This is greatest common factor and least common denominator. Colored rods determine the LCM of two numbers. Intersection of sets. Let's list all the members of the set of the whole number and divisors of the two numbers. Then find the set of the common divisor. Pick the greatest common element set. Prime factorization. That's how we do prime factorization in a Euclidean algorithm. An example. And here's the definition of greatest common factor and least common multiple. Integer operations, we have the chip model, the charge field model, the number line, the partition model, which is over here to the side. They got the partition model over here. These are the properties of the different properties and what they examples of them. Showing how to do the subtraction models. Got the chip model, the charge model, the number line, the pattern line, mixing add-ins, adding. Multiplication and division of integers. Properties of multiplication of integers. And I have examples of all the properties. The set of rational numbers. Got the set, the number line, the area model, This is an example of proper fraction and improper fraction, equivalent, simplest form. Addition and subtraction with rational numbers. Have the area models, and the number line is down here. Additive inverse, an example. Then I have mixed numbers and what they are, and an example, and a subtraction of rational numbers, what it is, and an example. Multiplication of rational numbers. Have the examples of each one. Intro to decimals. Got the ordering decimals, then I have the operations of decimals, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Breaking bridge, compatible numbers, mixed, compatible, making compatible numbers, balancing, and division. I have examples of each one. That's how you do it over to the side. In non-terminating decimals is how you do the problem. Example. And this is showing the repeating decimals.